The phrase "how to make money online" has never been more popular than now. There was never a time where more people were seeking to build a business from home. The reasons are increasing gas prices, higher production costs, currency devaluation, and the fear people have of losing their jobs. But what would be the perfect business model to create financial freedom but give you full control over your own time? Building a social media channel? Should you learn about e-commerce and Amazon FBA? What about selling a digital service that people really need and want? Or should you focus on learning about trading and investing and let your money work for you? That's not an easy decision to make. But what if you could have it all? Introducing JIFU. JIFU was founded in 2019, and its mission is to help people to become serious multipreneurs in the new digital world by showing them to create a part or even full-time income. You can simply become an affiliate and sell the done-for-you products to your customers, or participate in building the worldwide sales force. But let's have a look at the 4 pillars of success with JIFU. Travel. This service is very simple. As an affiliate or as a customer, you can subscribe to the JIFU platform and save up to 75% on hotels, cars, flights, resorts, and cruises. But how does the travel platform work? JIFU simply buys from the same databases like Booking, Expedia, or Priceline, but does not add any margins or fees on top of it. That sounds incredible? It gets even better. In the rare case that you find a better offer somewhere else, JIFU beats this price and pays 110% on the price difference. On all orders, you will also get a 1% cashback. Affiliates even get up to 3 free vacation vouchers per year and can choose from more than 100 dream destinations from around the world. There is simply no better way to travel. Health. Travel is fun and creating wealth is important. But nothing is more important than health. JIFU partnered up with world-renowned doctors and scientists to offer the best products on the market for self-care, health, and anti-aging. The number of products we offer is very limited and very exclusive. All products have a USP that is nowhere else to be found on the market. This gives our affiliates the opportunity to sell the products to their customers as a dropshipping service. You simply sell the product, and JIFU takes care of the payment, shipping, and customer service. You simply get paid your commission every time a new or recurring customer orders. Education. Skills pay bills, but knowledge creates wealth. The 3rd pillar is an educational platform that teaches you skills like social media, YouTube, Amazon FBA, and many, many more. But it also dives deep into the world of cryptocurrency, teaching you everything you need to know to multiply the money you already made through our other pillars in the crypto space. Additionally, we have educators that also teach you all about one of the most sought-after investing opportunities, Forex trading. Learn how to become a successful trader and multiply your own money on the market. Wealth. The educational platform teaches you everything you need to know to start trading yourself. But as an additional service, we partnered up with regulated and licensed brokers where you will have the opportunity to let professional traders do the work for you. All traders are very experienced and have tremendous track records that you are able to see before you choose to work with them. Your money will always stay in your private broker account, and you have access to your funds at all times. As an additional benefit to this service, the broker offers all JIFU affiliates the opportunity to refer more clients to them. For each client you bring, the broker pays a monthly commission and you also get a share on each lot that gets produced. That means you, as an affiliate, make money even if a trade is not profitable. JIFU is the perfect opportunity and brings all trends together. The affiliate compensation plan is one of a kind and the only one in the industry that pays their top affiliates up to $1 million a month based on their performance. Are you ready to become part of this amazing opportunity? Do you want to find out more about the industry-leading compensation plan? Then please talk to the person who has sent you this video for further information, and we see you at the beaches of the world. JIFU.